LS Fabrication, when precision matters.
Hello everybody, I'm Dennis for LS Fabrication, and today I'd like to show you guys how to install your LS Fabrication bead-roll kick panel for the 1947 through 1955 first series Chevrolet Advanced Design pickup truck. So the first thing you're going to notice upon receiving your kick panel from LS Fabrication is that it is in full bare metal form. That gives you the opportunity to customize it, paint it however you like. The next thing you're going to notice is that there's a notch cut out here at the top. That's going to give you the opportunity to properly locate this inside your vehicle. So let's have a look inside the vehicle and I'll explain how all that goes and how we need to go about mocking this up before we do the install. Okay, so as you can see, we're under construction with this 80 truck, and you'll have something that resembles something like this if you already have your kick panel out of the truck. If you do not have your kick panel out of the truck, well, this is what it's going to look like. So when you get the panel, as I said, there's a notch cut right here in the top of it, and that's to locate it right here behind the dash. And that's important to line it up the way that it's supposed to be. So you simply get the panel up in there, and you get it right there where it needs to be, and then you look down the panel and make sure that you got it level and straight and that it's fitting tightly against the bottom and the back of the dash. And this will be where you're going to locate it. So if you're going to be like me, I'm going to spot weld it in. So that means we're going to have to drill a few holes down through here to spot weld it in. And then we're also going to be spot welding it in across the top. And we're going to get to that definitely. I want to point out a couple of details real quick. Give you a look at what we got going on here. So as we said from the beginning of the video, the notch locates the panel underneath and behind the dash. Your truck will appear different from mine. I have the windlace rail removed here because we need to put new ones in, but this panel was designed to fit right at the edge, right at the front side of where that rail would be, so you do not have to remove that rail in order to install your kick panel. Very user-friendly. Now let's get to the welding part. All right, so before we can begin with the welding process, we have to make sure that everything is mocked up and in the place that it needs to be. For those of you who have your full firewall and toe board in, this is really easy. You just line it up and go from there. For us that are cutting everything loose, you're gonna wanna pay attention to what you're doing. I have installed my windlace rail to give you guys a better visual of how it should go. This is how it should be, butting up to the windlace rail. And once you have your clamp in up there, you need to get your paint pen or your punch, mark your spot to where you can set the drill and drill the hole, or you can pull it off and drill it, either or. I'm gonna leave it on there since we've marked it with this drill bit's gonna stay center and it's gonna poke through right where we want it. And then from there, we just make sure we have everything where we want it, and then we start putting fire to it. Well, that's it, guys. I mean, a little bit of time, patience, paying attention to what you're doing, marking it properly, and then having it clamped in place, whether you're screwing it in or welding it in. Either way, you just follow those steps and you'll come out with a pretty nice install. I think it turned out really well. Just needs to be cleaned up and grind these welds down there here on this side, and we'll be good to go from there. I'm Dennis for LS Fabrication. This has been an install for the 1947 to 1955 first series bead roll kick panel from LS Fabrication. Good luck to you guys with your future endeavor and your project. Thanks for watching. Now get after it.